Hey guys, Fred Up here. Welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A22. The A22 could possibly be one of the best entry-level smartphones that you can buy today that is made by Samsung with the ability of getting future software update up to Android 13. Yes, you heard me right, up to Android 13. And a much more improved camera system with optical image stabilization. Being a successor to the previous A21, which itself was quite compelling, the A22 ticks the check mark in almost all areas that makes it a worthy upgrade to its predecessor. And I'm so happy to share my experience, my thoughts with you guys, so to help you guys make an informed purchase decision. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please kindly hit on the subscribe button to join this awesome family and turn on post notifications so you get alerted whenever I post a new video. Okay, so in the box, the A22 comes mostly with basic accessories, nothing too exciting about it. You're going to get the device itself, a 15-watt charger, a USB Type-C charging cable, the earpiece and some paperwork, which includes the warranty card and a quick start guide. As you can see here, there is no case or SIM ejector tool included. About the design and build quality, the Samsung Galaxy A22 is made entirely out of plastic, which is basically what you get with the device in this price point. That being said, the A22 looks good with its shiny and glossy plastic that attracts smudges and fingerprints all over. This is a very difficult device to keep clean. You have to be wiping it every now and then to keep it shining. The color that I have is called black. There's no fancy color naming scheme here. Due to how shiny it looks, it does still reflect when you tilt to different lighting angles. It looks better, which is what you want from a modern smartphone. I really like its compact nature. At 6.4 inch, it weighs about 186 grams. It's a device you can use with one hand, and I like how portable and sturdy it feels in the hand. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. The power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner, which is quite responsive. Is it the fastest side-mounted fingerprint scanner? No, but it is fast and accurate, which is what you want. On the left side, we've got a SIM tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a mono speaker, which is on the average being the only speaker on here. On top, we have another microphone. At the rear houses a quad camera setup with a single flashlight and the Samsung branding. Flipping to the front side of the device, we have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with an Infinity U notch on top that houses the 13-megapixel selfie camera. The display is a 720 by 1600 resolution with support for 90Hz refresh rate, 274 pixels per inch density, and up to 600 nits of peak brightness. For a 720p AMOLED display, it is sharp with saturated colors and it has good viewing angles. The display is good for consuming media content and everything on here looks great. The only downside to this display is the fact that it is not a 1080p display. Hopefully the A23 will solve this problem next year. For its price, the A22 packs a MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core CPU paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. There is also a variant with 128GB of internal storage, but the RAM still remains the same. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh battery and it is running on Android 11 with support for future software update up to Android 13. This is more than impressive for an entry-level device. Speaking of impressive, do you know what else is impressive? Skillshare, the sponsor of today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators and aspiring people who want to explore new skills and take their creative journey to the next level. You can never miss out on anything because Skillshare offers classes for web development, graphics design, photography, film and video production. And there's something that will always suit your need. For instance, I just started a new class with Benjamin Percy on a topic, routine suspense. How I can write stories that thrill any genre. It's a class that can help develop a plot that will keep your audience wanting more. One of the good things about Skillshare is that the videos don't show any ads because it is designed specifically for learning, which will allow you to focus more on your creative journey. If you're a creator or someone who's aspiring to become one, this is a great opportunity for you to click the link in the description and sign up immediately. And because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 1000 people to use the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare membership with full access to all the curated classes. Now, back to our video. Okay, so performance on the A22 with the specs I mentioned earlier is great. Day-to-day tasks is great, web browsing, light gaming and general multitasking is very impressive. However, 4GB of RAM in today's Android world is very limiting. When you have too many background apps on the A22, the device lags and you begin to feel a hit in performance. Playing heavy game title is fine as long as you keep all settings to medium graphics settings. For most people that don't push their phones too much, performance is going to be totally fine for them. With the help of a faster refresh rate, the 90Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and navigating through the UI a breeze. Another saving grace here is One UI, which is greatly optimized. The A22 comes with Samsung One UI 3.1 and it is very decent with minimal bloatware that are not intrusive. One UI is just so clean and it makes everything run smoothly on here. The 5000 mAh battery on here is very reliable and decent. It can comfortably last for more than a day if you are an average user. To be frank, battery is not an issue on here. Charging the A22 with the included 15W charger took more than 2 hours and 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. About the camera, the A22 comes with a 48 megapixels main sensor with optical image stabilization, 8 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, a 2 megapixels depth sensor, and a 2 megapixels macro lens. Your main concern should be on the main sensor. The A22 takes decent images, especially when the lighting condition is good. It is bright with nice colors and dynamic range is okay for a device in its class. It has details and I love how saturated most of the images appear. It is not mind-blowing, but I'm very impressed with the image quality. The selfie camera is also decent, but dynamic range suffers a little bit with blown up backgrounds and the sky. However, I like how detailed the image appears and I also like the color production. Kindly go through the images and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. About video, the A22 can shoot video in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second and the footage looks good. There's a decent amount of stability in the footage thanks to the optical image stabilization and that is turned on by default when shooting videos. Hey guys, so this is the front facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy A22. It can only shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second. And from what I'm seeing here, I think the footage looks alright. But you guys should be the final judge here. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. So that is it guys, the A22 is a decent entry-level device that fixes some of the drawbacks of its predecessor. It has a very good Super AMOLED display, improved camera system, a faster refresh rate, a decent battery life and a promised future updates. At about 90,000 Naira or $170, the A22 is a compelling device and I will highly recommend it for people on a low budget. I will have my affiliate links in the description box below just in case you have interest in buying it. So that is it guys, my review of the Samsung Galaxy A22. Kindly share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and also share this video to someone it might be useful to. Thanks so much for watching and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.